Do you want to become attractive and have secret knowledge that can improve your daily life? Imagine navigating the world with a secret set of laws that enhance your influence, reputation, and personal success. This isn't a fantasy. It's a reality captured in the book 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene, a comprehensive guide filled with timeless wisdom. The book offers a unique perspective on power, persuasion, and strategy. However, not all of these laws are practical for everyday use. So we've distilled the essence of this book into a selection of the most applicable laws that can be effortlessly woven into your daily life. From concealing your intentions for an element of surprise, to courting attention to enhance your influence, to mastering the art of timing and decision-making, these laws offer a roadmap to living with boldness, authenticity, and strategic intelligence. Get ready to dive into some of the most practical laws that you can use on a daily basis. Firstly, we delve into Law 3, Conceal Your Intentions. It's an intriguing concept, isn't it? This law advises us to keep our plans and ambitions under wraps, to maintain an element of surprise and control. You see, when you reveal your intentions, you expose your strategies, allowing others to anticipate your next move. By keeping your cards close to your chest, you maintain the upper hand. This doesn't mean you should be dishonest or deceitful. Rather, it's about being strategic with the information you share. Think of it as a game of chess. You wouldn't telegraph your next move to your opponent, would you? The same applies to daily life. Whether it's negotiating a deal, planning a surprise, or pursuing a personal goal, discretion can be your secret weapon. So how can you apply this law daily? Simple. Be more intentional about what you share, with whom, and when. Remember, a touch of mystery can make you highly attractive. Next, we explore Law 6, Court Attention at All Costs. This law invites you to step into the limelight and make your presence known. It's about harnessing the power of visibility to shape your reputation and influence. In a world where everyone is vying for attention, being forgettable is a setback. Remember, all publicity is good publicity. A practical way to apply this law daily is by being intentional about your actions. Whether you're at work, in a social gathering, or even online, make sure your actions serve a purpose and are designed to draw positive attention. Be bold, be different, share your ideas, and don't shy away from opportunities to stand out. It's not about being attention-seeking, but attention-deserving. Be the person who adds value, who contributes, who leads. When you court attention for the right reasons, people take notice. And once you have their attention, you have influence. Strive to be seen, and you'll be remembered. Now let's examine Law 15, Crush Your Enemy Totally. This law might sound a bit harsh, but in essence, it's about thoroughness and decisiveness in tackling challenges. It's not about fostering animosity, but rather dealing with obstacles that stand in your way. Imagine a budding weed in your garden. If you simply cut it off at the surface, it will grow back, possibly stronger. But if you uproot it entirely, it's gone for good. This is the essence of Law 15. When you face a challenge, don't just address it partially or temporarily. Resolve it entirely, leaving no room for the problem to resurface. In your daily life, this could mean dealing with a problematic habit, a challenging project at work, or a recurring issue in your relationships. Don't just put a band-aid on it. Dig deep, find the root, and deal with it decisively. Address challenges decisively and thoroughly to prevent future issues. Moving forward, we focus on Law 28, Enter Action with Boldness. This law is all about decisiveness and proactivity. It's about seizing opportunities, not waiting for them to come to you. It's about making your move confidently, not half-heartedly. When you act with boldness, you exude an energy that can be incredibly persuasive and compelling. In the context of everyday life, this could mean making a decisive career move, taking a leap of faith in a personal relationship, or simply speaking up when you have something important to say. It's about not hesitating when the opportunity presents itself. The importance of this law is in its ability to command respect and attention. When you act boldly, people tend to take note. It's a statement of self-assuredness, of certainty, and of courage. And remember, boldness doesn't mean recklessness. It means calculated, confident action. So when the moment calls for it, don't shy away. Embrace it. Boldness in action can lead to success. Next up, Law 35, Master the Art of Timing. This law underscores the importance of not just what you do, but when you do it. It's about recognizing the perfect moment to act, to maximize impact and minimize resistance. In the grand theater of life, timing is the director. It can turn an ordinary act into an extraordinary triumph, or, conversely, a surefire plan into a disastrous failure. It's the difference between a well-received joke and an awkward silence, between a successful negotiation and a missed opportunity. So, how can you master timing? Start by becoming a keen observer. Understand the rhythm of your environment, the ebb and flow of conversations, the subtle shifts in people's moods, and then act when the moment is ripe, not a second earlier, not a moment later. Remember, it takes patience and discipline to wait for the right moment, but the payoff can be enormous. Timing is everything. Master it, and you master life. Our next law, Law 43, work on the hearts and minds of others. This law emphasizes the power of emotional intelligence and empathy. It's not enough to merely interact with others on a superficial level. To truly influence, you must understand and connect with people's emotions and beliefs. In your daily life, it's important to listen actively and empathetically. Show genuine interest in others' feelings and views. It's not about manipulating emotions, but rather about understanding and relating to them. Consider this. When you validate someone's emotions or beliefs, you're not just acknowledging their existence, you're showing respect for their personal experience. This can create a deep bond, fostering trust and openness. Likewise, when you share your own emotions and beliefs in a genuine way, you allow others to connect with you on a deeper level. This mutual understanding can be a powerful tool for influence. Influence through emotions and beliefs to build genuine connections. Let's turn to Law 46, Never Appear Too Perfect. This law teaches us that perfection is not only unattainable, but it can also be off-putting. When we present ourselves as flawless, people often perceive us as inauthentic or unapproachable. They may feel that they can't relate to us, or worse, they might suspect that we're hiding something. This doesn't mean you should intentionally make mistakes or downplay your strengths. Instead, it's about embracing authenticity, showing your true self, warts and all. It's about acknowledging that we all have flaws, we all make mistakes, and that's okay. It's part of being human. In your daily life, don't be afraid to admit when you're wrong or when you don't know something. Show your real emotions and let people see your vulnerabilities. This will not only make you more relatable, but also more trustworthy. Embrace authenticity and allow for vulnerabilities to appear more relatable. We've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? We've delved into the intriguing world of Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power and picked out some of the most practical laws that you can start applying in your daily life. From concealing intentions for strategic advantage to courting attention to enhance your influence. We've discussed the importance of crushing challenges decisively and the power of bold, proactive action. We've learned about the art of timing, the need to work on the hearts and minds of others, and the beauty of authenticity in not appearing too perfect. It's your turn now. Start incorporating these laws into your everyday actions. See how they can change the dynamics and how they can make you more effective in your personal and professional interactions. Share this knowledge. Let others also benefit from these powerful insights. Remember, power comes from knowledge and application. Start applying these laws today and see the difference. And do share your experiences or tips in the comments below. Until next time, stay powerful.